Hello mga besh, another day, another vlog. Andito ako ngayon sa Midnight Train Photo Studio. So I'll be meeting someone na ang tagal-tagal ko ng friends sa social media. Pero we haven't met yet. But today, this is the day na magkikita kami. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung sino ang aking friend. Yan, dito kami mag-shoot. Dito siya mag-shoot. Mag-shoot siya for a campaign. This is the shoot. Hello sir, saan po tayo banda?
Let's go there, diretso.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Punta na natin siya. Wait lang. Okay, check. Magkakaroon kasi dito ng isang shoot. So, ang shoot na yun ay for HIV awareness. And ang perfect ng ating model for today. So, abangan natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung sino ang ating model. Mamaya, i-reveal natin yung face. Face reveal. Ito na siya. Ito na ang yung model natin for today. Ready na ba kayo ma-reveal? Wait lang, i-open ko muna. 1, 2, 3. Harap. Red Spiegelman! So, anong gagawin mo dito today?
Well, iba-vlog mo ba ako mamaya?
Hindi, ano lang to?
Well, actually, this is a shoot for the sea, which is for the World AIDS Day. This is the set. So, it's my second time here already. So,
this is our first time to see each other in person.
I know.
Ang pretty niya guys. Tingnan niyo. Feet check. Siyempre dito papakabo. Masasali siya.
kailan naman siya masali?
Tapos na yung shoot niya. So, kami naman na nag-photoshoot after. Actually, this is our first time to see each other personally. But we've been friends for almost 2 years already. So, yeah. Thank you for your time, Red. Love ya. See you soon. Bye!